Wagwan, wagwan, road trip. Journey to NYC. Look what going over there, sir. What going over there, sir. Delaware Memorial Bridge.
Are you serious right now?
Massive bridge.
You know what this is?
So we're actually on top of water right
This guy
now.
over here is poor. He lives underneath the bridge over there. Well, yeah, but that doesn't mean you know, anybody can live on going through hard times right now.
Sigma.
I'll give you a chance. Let me see where you can be my daughter. If it's better than Max's Lamborghini, then you could marry my daughter.
Are you serious? Oh my gosh, Roxy. The game is because adults don't care about money. They care about love and companionship.
Massive bridge, right?
Wow.
Hopefully it works.
All adults are very, very considerate of kids.
This is so cool.
Okay, Mr. Crystal's dad, are you ready for this? Boom! I put Crystal a heart, and as you can see, because her outfit is cyan, I put a half cyan, and then over here on this side, I put brown because that's
We're actually driving on metal plates.
This thing is.
So we're not driving on
See the nightlife. Get this off the property now.
asphalt.
Are you supposed to say like you're just kidding and love will be money all the time?
Buddy, this is not a small
Yep.
movie that has a happy ending.
Good to go. So going down they said 40. I don't want to get no ticket.
So this is bad. You're getting kicked out of your house. Yeah, you too, my guy. Take your grandma with you. Wait, what? No, I'm getting kicked out of the house. I wanted to go to the pool.
Yeah, sorry guys. It looks like you losers are gonna have to leave immediately. Alright, I guess.
Yeah, yo, Max, just keep giving me a tour of that Lamborghini. I'll get Crystal outside.
Alright, sir, let's do it. Follow me. See you later, loser Holmes. Hey, I'm not a loser! I'm just
Be
poor
my dad.
and unemployed. I guess Roxy have to destroy the heart.
This sucks. I just wish that Crystal got to see it.
Yeah, maybe if Crystal saw the heart, she would really like it.
Then we're in
This is so sad.
Yeah, for real.
Follow signs for
It's just
Atlantic
destroyed all. Maybe in a different world, Crystal would see the awesome heart. I put a lot of effort and care into.
New Chelsea.
Why do you keep calling me? What's going on over here? Honey, you know how you're looking for a boyfriend? Well, I got you one. It's Millionaire Max.
Wait,
Still recording. You can just touch the screen.
showing Millionaire Max to Crystal. I guess me and Crystal will never fall in love.
New Jersey Turnpike.
Follow signs for
Atlantic
US
City.
Me at the park.
Alright, come on, Roxy, let's go to the park.
Dad, I don't care if you buy me rich things like this. I don't care if you buy me a Lamborghini. Oh, Crystal, a Lamborghini is really expensive, and that shows you how you
Continue on US
Crystal.
Yeah, so this is a truck stop.